What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you a video of my 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. I got this about a year and a half ago. I got it for $1,700. It was running and had no major dents or scratches on it, so I think that was a pretty good deal. The only major issue with it was that the AC wasn't working, the driver's seat was pretty torn, and the center console makes this clicking noise every time you turn it on. But to me, I didn't care about that since, I was just using this vehicle to get from point A to point B. And most of the time, I drive this car alone, so it didn't bother me. I did put another like $1,700 into this vehicle to get it running really good, right from the start, just so I gave it its best chance of being a good, reliable car. I did some front end work on it, and I got two new tires in the front so I can get the alignment done. I got the front AC working. I had to replace the AC compressor. That was probably the most expensive part. The rear AC does not work. They had it rigged some crazy way that I couldn't figure it out, and I didn't want to waste too much money or too much time on it, so I just left it alone. But the front AC does work really good. I also did a good tune-up on it. I just wanted to be on the safe side and get everything done since I had the time and the money for it. And a year and a half later, 8,000 miles, it certainly has paid off. I've had no problems with it. It's been really good, and can't complain. The rest of this video would just be me showing you what other little modifications I've done to it, how I did it. They aren't crazy mods, but it definitely makes it look a lot better. And yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Please like and subscribe and enjoy.